Welcome back everybody to this week's video. We have a big old chunk of sapele on the lathe. So right now we are marking out for the mortise. And now we're marking out for the foot. Alright, we've got the camera moved into position, the lathe turned on, and now we're going to start turning it to shape. So the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just taking the sides down. And now we're going to start working it round and getting to the shape that we want. That nice final pass. There we go. You can already see the chatoyance there. Very nice. One of the reasons I love working with sapele. Alright, so now we're going to start on the mortise, and the first tool we're going to be using is the mid-size detailer. We're just clearing it out and marking out where the mortise is. Number 1 hollower just to clean it all out. The mid-size rougher just to flatten everything off. Giving it a bit of an undercut. And back to the detailer just so it matches the angles of the jaws in the chuck. There we go. So I've already done most of the sanding now, so we're just going to sand up to 240 grit here with Ling Spore abrasives. There we go. Bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol just to clean the grain. And some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer. Okay, on to some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. You can get this from Northside Custom Crafts if you're in the USA, or Axminster Tools if you are in the UK. There are links down in the description. Just rub it all over until you get a clean paper towel, and you will have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. There you go. Okay, some Hampshire Sheen wax now. If anybody's interested in using any Hampshire Sheen products used in this video, there will also be a link down for that down in the description. Just wiping it all over now, get nice even coverage. And you give it a few seconds for the solvents to evaporate. And then you turn the lathe up to about 1000 to 1200 after you've let the solvents evaporate, and then you buff it in. You don't want to push too hard, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you just put on, you just build up that heat and buff it in. You can really see the shine right there. Fantastic stuff. There we go. Alright, time to get it flipped round now into the chuck, and we're going to start by hollowing it. So we've got the number 1 hollower here. Going to take the rim off and the face off. And start hollowing. There's the mid-size finisher, just take out any rims that I might have missed, or ridges I should say. There we go, there's the old finger calipers there. That's the right hand, so it's obviously metric. Once again, I've already done most of the sanding, so once again we're just going to sand up to 240 grit here. There we go. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to once again clean the grain. Some matte sanding sealer from Hampshire Sheen. Some Pompiage Gold Gilt cream from Liberon. We're going to put some of this around the rim. Just to kind of separate the inside and the outside of the bowl. And now some Yorkshire Grit on the inside. Same process before as the outside. Wipe it all in. Rub it in until you get a clean paper towel, and once again you'll have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit. And some Hampshire Sheen finishing wax. Once again, same process before. Wipe it all over, then you turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200. Being careful not to push too hard, you don't want to wipe it all off. Just build up that heat and buff it in. Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching. Don't forget, click that thumbs up button, click that subscribe button if you like the video, and share it with your friends, share it with your family, share it with your enemies if you like. And until next week, I shall see you then.